3, 5, 4.
1, 2,
2,
5, 4.
Just when I thought I had to make it alone, you were right there by my side, making a stand, holding my hand the way you do, there to remind me about me and you. When I'm with you, all my fear disappears, like if I reach, I touch the sky. You got my back, pick up my slack when I can't see, but nothing picks me up like knowing we'll be friends forever. Face whatever. Friends forever. Yeah, we never can be torn apart. You and me, we are so one and the same. The way we think, the way we play. Right from the start, so off the charts about this thing. But we didn't know at first that we were making friends forever. Bound together. Friends forever. Yeah, we'll always be there. Oh yes, there also can be times that get rough, and all that can be said is sorry. But we both know that that's all meaningless stuff, and we go on together through any nasty weather. Friends forever. Bound together. Friends forever. Face forever. Friends forever. Bound together. Friends
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. Still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother
Hindi malilimutan ang asaran na merong pikunan, lalo na rin ang unang niligawan, unang kabiguan. At dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagdadamayan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan. Kung mga buwan, kaibigan namang maaasahan. Oh, di na tayo babata, edad may di nahahalata. Sa mga trip, unti-unti na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan man magkita, tsak may kwela, yan ang aking mga tropa. Inuman na pang magdamagan, minsan inaabot pa ng ayaan, na kung saan-saan, na para bang walang kinabukasan at kahantungan. At dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagpapayuhan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan. Kung mga baliw, kaibigan namang nakakaaliw. Oh, di na tayo pabata, edad may di nahahalata. Sa mga trip, unti-unti na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan man magkita, tsak may kwela, yan ang aking mga tropa. Di na tayo pabata, edad may di